So maybe because I'm poorly equipped with the skills to address an audience like this, the most outstanding teachers and active mates members. Anyway, thank you, mates, for giving me this opportunity to share my presentation with you. So I'm going to refer back to Mr. Zeki's concepts of change, okay, which he talked about yesterday. So here, this is my starting point. Okay, are we willing to transform ourselves? This is the question. Yeah, because it's high time to do that. Okay, so we need, personally, I think that we need to alter the way we do professional development. We need to alter the way we teach and do what we teach. Because if we don't transform ourselves, we cannot transform our students. Okay, so we should start with ourselves. Okay, and the starting point, I think, is sharing, and sharing online specifically. Okay, because it's the best and the most important distribution channel. So sharing is not an addition to the work of being an educator. No, but it is the work nowadays. Okay, so I think that education without sharing is not education. So in this presentation, and I still remember a workshop which I attended 3 years ago, I think, in Rabat. So it was headed by Isna, and you mentioned that sharing is a kind of caring. Yes, exactly. So, do you use some web tools in your classroom, or for example with Access students? Because we've got computers, we've got laptops, we've got data shows, we've got, I think, enough material. Do you usually use any of these web tools? Because nowadays we have a number and several web tools at our fingertips. Before I share with you this, can you share with us any? Yes, please.
This is a tool it's for reading and writing. 60 bytes. 60 bytes.
60 bytes.
60 bytes or 60 bytes. You have a text and it's distributed into 6 or 8 or 10 parts, and you ask the students to order the parts, for example, to write a story or to write a text.
Yeah, thank you. So now the internet is teeming with resources waiting to be used. Okay, to enhance this process of change, okay, and to help us become, call it 21st century teachers, okay, and prepare our students to become also, okay, endowed with 21st century skills, helping them become creative, innovative, critical thinkers, believing in teamwork and collaboration, okay. So yesterday, Mr. Zeki set the floor for white paper. Okay, it's projects, which is I consider it's an interesting one. So the first tool is Wigio. So you can log www.wigio.com. So it's easy. You need just to register. It's free. So this is a platform. This is a web tool which we can use to collaborate Okay, so here you can see, for example, yesterday I created this, as we call mates white paper projects, for example. So this is a group name. Okay, so we have different groups, but we are one group, so everybody has got tasks to do. So we can use this, for example, to share documents, to share statistics. We can, for example, post the questionnaire Mr. Zeki talks about in the morning. Okay, and in addition to that questionnaire, Mr. Zeki is not here. So just between parentheses. So we should also devise a questionnaire to students. Okay, especially they give us feedback about the textbook. You can do this with access students because they have an idea about the Moroccan curriculum or program, and yes, foreigner one. So they will give us feedback which will help us a lot. So here, so with Geo, so if you can see here, so groups, you can have the main group and subgroups. Okay, the members, you can invite members by their emails. You just enter their emails or Twitter accounts. Okay, so here what can you do in with Geo? We can okay, you can add files from your computer, documents, for example, PDF. You can add pictures, links. You can also schedule events, conference call, virtual meetings, chat through. You can also create documents, spreadsheets, poll, survey, to-do list, and you can also send text messages, email messages, voice notes, and video notes. Okay, so I think that this web tool has it all. Okay, so concerning compiling documents and sharing them, okay, we talked about in the morning. So we can use this. So WeGeo is it's a free online toolkit. So it's easy to work with and coordinate groups. You can also use it with our students. Okay, so it's a place where we can share and manage files. We can manage the group calendar, pull your group, post links, set up conference calls, chat online, send out mass text messages, and send voice or email messages to the entire group. Okay, so next one, going to refer to, yes, your in the morning you talked about posters. For example, we have an event and we want to attract a maximum number of people. How? We should have posters which can help us do so. So Gloster is a website. Okay, we have two. So we have Gloster Beta and Gloster Edu. So Gloster Edu is free. You can just register, sign in using your Facebook accounts or your email. So here you can add. These are online posters. We can share in your pages, in your blogs. So you can add videos, a poster with a video, with music, with text, with colors. That's on your. As you can see here, we have what is the mouse? Yes, can add a video. So so Gloster is a poster web page. Okay, so if you print it, so there is no video, just the icon. So you can combine text, picture, graphics as well, video, the audio to create an interactive online poster. We can use it as educators, as teachers, and students can also use it. Okay, to prepare for a project, given just a topic, and they can talk about this. You can, okay, add pictures, you can add their own music, and add anything they like. And you can embed it. Okay, it gives you a link, and you can embed that link in your blog. So this is how you just register. So this is my profile in Gloster. So it gives you this page. So we have text, graphics, image, wall, audio, video, and data. For example, video. So my videos, you click on my videos or YouTube. You can also upload videos directly from YouTube. We will talk about YouTube videos. Okay. Yes, so this is another one. If you see here, this is a picture, okay, in which we have highlighted words with colors, right? So you can use them with pictures, you can use them with posters, we can use this as you can t-shirts, for example, you can print them on t-shirts, you can use them like icons. For example, this is building efficient managerial skills through managerial education projects, education web tools, and we have a set of some education web tools. So to make this, it's easy. Just log into, Wordle. Yes, this one. This is the address. www.wordle.com. Okay? .net, I'm sorry. So use Wordle to create artwork with words. You can type words or paste paragraphs. You can just take a paragraph and paste it. So the gloves gives more prominence to words that appear frequently in your text. For example, if a word is repeated twice or thrice in your paragraph, it's the one that will look prominent. Okay. So this can be used in presentations, posters, timeline of the video. If you want to make a video, you can use this. You can print them out and share them, with your friends. So when you type www.wordle.net, you will find this page. So for example, I copied this paragraph and I pasted it. So I clicked on create. Gives you a box. So I paste that paragraph. So because the word words is repeated twice, I think, in that paragraph, that's why it's the most prominent. We have color. You can click on color. We have different colors. We have different layouts. You want it horizontally or vertically, mostly horizontal, mostly vertical. Depends. You can choose the fonts. Okay. So while writing, typing. Next, we have my hero, and here I'm going to talk about Tina's experience with Access students. So when she was talking in the morning about that trip or that field trip to Arizona, it was like I was watching a movie or a documentary. It's a story. So my hero is a place. It's the right place for such projects to be published. Okay. So we will see the page. So educate, what can you do? So educate and inspire by highlighting heroes around the world. This is one of the functions. So this is my hero. For example, stories. You can write your story here. But the stories, the art, the films that you post on my heroes, so shouldn't be plagiarized, because they have a system. If you take something from another website, it is not going to be accepted in this law. So it should be something that you made it, you prepared it, something that belongs to you. Okay? So you can share stories, you can share arts, you can share films, you can share audio, you can share anything you like. Okay? It's a great one. Then we have how to publish. This is the easiest page. You can pen.io. So it helps you publish anything just in a few seconds. So when you click here, so we have create new page. When you click on create new page, you have directly this. Click on the text, it means this one. Click to edit the title, you write the title. So you can drag and drop photos and pictures. So we have the background, you can change the background and you publish it. Okay, and then you take the link and you take